It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 7th of October. I'm James Spann. After some serious flooding in parts of the Birmingham metro last night, things are much calmer this morning, and we're getting set for an extended stretch of dry weather across the state after today. This is the upper air look, that pesky upper low to the west is currently over southern Missouri. That's the reason for the rain we've seen here in recent days. That is opening up and lifting out. Thank goodness. That was the radar early this morning. We had some rain falling over southeast Alabama, a couple of showers around Anniston and Gadsden, and that's about it. Now, this is the radar estimates from the NexRad based on the rain that came down yesterday and last night, and you can see that just really, really heavy rain through parts of the southern Birmingham metro area, specifically Hoover, Pelham, and Vestavia. In fact, the radar suggesting the possibility of 13 inches of rain in a few spots near U.S. Highway 31, near the Pelham-Hoover line, just south of Highway 119. Pretty remarkable. And again, severe flooding was happening last night. A flash flood emergency was issued by the Weather Service in Birmingham. We've still got a flash flood watch early this morning for parts of north and east and southeast Alabama, the counties there in green. Also a dense fog advisory for parts of southwest Alabama. And around the nation, fog issues back up toward Memphis, northern Arkansas, parts of Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma. Otherwise, things are quiet. Got a marginal risk of severe storms later today and tonight for parts of Nevada, Idaho, and Utah with a big trough there. No severe weather expected here. Tomorrow, a marginal risk up north, parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. Day 3, which is Saturday, again, a marginal risk in the same area. Day 4, look at here now. This is Sunday. We have an enhanced risk on day 4 for areas around the Red River, parts of Texas and Oklahoma. And then on day 6, which is Tuesday, a risk of severe storms in that same general area. But nothing like that here. Will be under a ridge. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain well to the north and west of here. For Alabama, really nothing. From Birmingham west, we will see a few scattered showers and storms around today, mainly on the eastern side of the state. But after today, we'll be dry for a while. Tropics nice and quiet. That little feature that's off the Georgia coast with only a 10% chance of developing the next 24 to 48 hours, 20% chance out to 5 days. That'll be drifting along the coast of the Carolinas, then moving out to sea. Again, the MDR, the main development region, quiet. The Gulf of Mexico, nice and quiet. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4, the upper low near St. Louis. And again, we'll maintain the chance of a few scattered showers and storms today, mainly for the eastern half of the state. West Alabama, most likely dry. A mix of sun and clouds with a high around 80 in most spots. Tomorrow, we're dry, partly sunny. Highs around 83. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. A warm, dry day. Sunny with a high in the mid-80s. Same thing Sunday. Not a drop of rain. And it's going to stay that way for much of next week. This is Monday. A system west of the state will probably dissipate before reaching us. This is Tuesday. And look at all the snow on Tuesday for the Rockies, Colorado, Wyoming. That's a huge snowstorm for them. And again, maybe some severe weather south and east of that surface low. Wednesday, we're still dry. Highs in the 80s. Cold front well to the west. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 14th. We still have ridging here, troughing back in the northwest. And again, we are dry. So again, after today, we'll be dry for quite a while. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 16th, troughing to the north. And evidence we could see a few showers and maybe some thunder with a cold front pushing in at that point. Rain for Birmingham. That looks good. Not much at all. That looks like October. The mean is only about a half inch here for the next 15 days on through October the 21st. Temperatures very warm for the weekend and next week with highs in the low to mid-80s, but we're seeing evidence of a nice cool shot in about 10 days around Sunday the 17th of October. And the CPC outlook, this is for October 14th through the 20th. Temperatures near or maybe slightly above average around here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.